today we thought we'd head outside and go to the street and get some street food. And so all of us here are out and about walking around. We're gonna find some local vendors. So we'll show you what the street food is like. Come with us. What's your favorite street food?
The one we're going to right now.
What kind of, do you like rice?
Oh.
Do you like?
There's a bean and pizza beans.
Here's the guy you don't often see. But
Hey.
Chris, what is your favorite street food that we are gonna?
Oh, man, so many good ones.
Do they have this bread stuff that you like? What's it called?
The rojamo.
Are you gonna try that tonight?
Maybe if they have it, I might have to try it. It's like think of an English muffin but better, filled with meat. It's delicious.
As we get a little closer to the night food market, the shops kind of pick up, a little bit more people around, and people kind of starting to, you see people carrying their dishes with them. So this is kind of a hot spot of this area. But people drive their own, it's like a motorbike, and they keep their food on the back of it and drive it to a location so they can move it at any point in time. So we're just gonna walk down and see what we think looks good for tonight. And there's probably 20 people set up down here. We've got a fresh fruit guy. Check out this is called the dragon fruit right here. It's pink. These are called yotza. Oh, I had these guys last time. They do a good job. They add ketchup to their fried rice, and so it makes it a little bit sweeter. Now here's something that Chris loves. I'm surprised he's not here. But you can pick whatever you want, and then they barbecue it for you, and they just do it right here. So
we're gonna get 2 of these.
So they take this pizza looking thing, and on top they put an egg. Is
You
your
don't-
favorite?
Yeah.
Which is your favorite?
It's great.
You take a bowl and you fill the bowl, and then they'll throw it in here and fry it up for us. Don't touch. So we've got potatoes and carrots and cabbage and onion. It's all fresh. You can choose your meat and you choose the type of noodles that you want or the rice that you want. Are you excited about your rice? Yes. Are you excited about your noodles? No. No? And I just went ahead and paid, and it was 24 kwai, which translates into about $3.10 for all 3 of us to have fried rice or fried noodles. Here we go. We're done.
Hard to do dog cake.
Hard to use chopsticks.
Oh, I think that's it.
You got it. Good job. So proud of it.
It's a rojamo, and it's basically bread with meat inside. This particular one has slices of potato, which is abnormal. This one's also chicken, which is usually beef. Sometimes we've described these as Philly cheesesteak, Chinese style, but without the cheese.
I asked for no spice. I said, ma'am, for no spice. It's gonna kick too. I can feel it all around my lips. And poor Cheech, look, it's still fat. How cute is he? Nice little family outing. Okay, that'll do it for this week's video. Thanks so much for sticking with us. And if you'd like to be a subscriber and see every week, just click here. And if you want to watch our next video, click here. And we'll see you next time.